आज का पवित्र दिन है, very pious day when Isabir Nana Suddho is with us. He is the very sensitive and follower of Vinaya, morality, dignity, fraternity, everything he has. Paidal Yatra, I attended Paidal Yatra with Nana Suddho at the pious period when Lumpha Sanangkat Puyo, most venerable Lumpha Sanangkat Puyo was with me. मैं अचानक से कुछ क्वेश्चन करूंगा, but he doesn't know Hindi. If he's speaking in English softly, so you follow me. अचानक नाना शुद्धो जी, आप जब पैदल यात्रा में थे, यू वाज इन पैदल यात्रा, हाउ यू फील विद लुम्फा सनांकत पुयो?
ก่อนอื่นก็ต้องขอพูดไทยก่อนนะเพราะว่าอาจารย์นี้เป็นคนไทยเพราะฉะนั้นก็ขอกล่าวทักทายกับผู้ฟังทั้งหลายด้วยภาษาไทย First, because of I am Thai people, Thai monk from Thailand, so I would like to greet everybody in Thai language first. Venerable Ajahn Piyatissa Pandayi asked me how I felt with Lumpha Sanong Katapinyo when we do the Dhamma Yatra. I feel so great because of real practicing. It is, I mean, the deep Dhamma you will touch when you do the real practicing. So Lumpha Sanong Katapinyo, after teaching us like a theory, and then he took us to the real practice by doing the pattern, Dhamma Yatra, we walking throughout India. So this is the land of Buddha. That's why we come to India to explore India and trying to imitate like we walk along with the way the Buddha had walked. It's very exciting for us because of the environment, the society, Indian culture, so different from Thai people and Thailand. And most, I mean, the Dhamma, all of the Buddha's Dhamma happening in India. This means reflect India living. So we learn that from local people, from Indian people, and for the society and culture. So we learn a lot of real Dhamma, but we will take a lot of time if we would like to go too deep to talk about the Dhamma, what I have been educate myself during the Dhamma Yatra.
Oh. Sadhu, deep mark.
Thank you. If you have any questions, maybe you can follow and you can write the comment for some questions. If I can, if I can share my experiences to you, I'm willing to share. Thank you.
अचान नाना सुद्धो उर्फ फ्राफाई Istavir. He was with me in Padal Yatra. Long Padal Yatra, 2,500 kilometer from Delhi to Kushinagar, Bodh Gaya, and Nepal also. So many Padal Yatra I attended with him. And in Thailand, I visited Khawai Forest with Lumphasanang Katpiyu, and I learned the four kind meditation in Khawai Forest with Lumphasanang Katpiyu. And Bang Nam Khiao and Suphanburi and Nanthaburi and many different places of Thailand I visited with him, as like Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai very uh, long area from near about 700 kilometer and 150 kilometer uh, Achan's Achanana Suddho monastery in rural area in forest. He is living there and practicing the Dhamma. And one 13, 14 years Samanera taken and teaches him. Now he is very good. Thai people love India and very much love to Indian people, and they have more attachment with India due to Buddha. Due to Tathagata Buddha, they are coming and more expending money and best achiever giving to Indian Buddhist monks. So they have more affection with Buddhist monks and Buddhist upasak in India. Nana Suddho visited with me Nainital, Rudrapura, Uttarakhand, and every part of India. Now, this time he is visiting many places, Buddha Vihara, and attended one program in Dhamma Hall in Hardoi, and he stayed different places of Buddha Vihara, and now he stayed in Ellora Buddha Vihara Hardoi. I learn from Venerable Nana Suddho used to be many things. No afraid of anything, no attachment with money, always seeing inside the Buddha, inside the Dhamma, inside the Sangha. So Lumpa, most venerable Lumpa Sanang Katpuyo teaches me many years and given eight times to learn Buddhism in Thailand. Once upon a time, I have no remember date, Nam Thuam came in Thailand. I was second story Buddha Vihara made by Lumpha Sanang Katpuyo and his guru Lumpha Song Bang. Both body are preserved in Thailand. Now three uh, from 3 years, 4 years, I have not visited Thailand. He teaches me Dhamma. I am diabetic patient. He was saying, "Oh, you are diabetic patient. Don't worry. You practice Dhamma." So I practice Dhamma in every different conditions, and now I am healthy in 80 years. Thailand people are most venerable, loving to Buddha and loving to India and loving to world because they have affection with Indian people. But Indian people also love to Buddhist countries. Nowadays, I remember the Thai monks. I see in YouTube Thai monks and Facebook. I became very glad because they love to all the creatures. I visited a tiger temple. I have seen tiger, lion are wandering hither and thither, but they are no disturbing to Buddhist monks and uh, Yums, upasikas. So I became very glad after the Thai people. Once upon a time, when I was coming Padal Yatra, oh, my fever came in Sankisa. Lumphaji given one bottle and some herbal medicines. Oh, don't worry, Tisabhante, you will be okay. After half an hour, temperature has gone and I walked with him and reached in a Buddhist village. Oh, you know that one time food, lunch, a 50 kilometer pedal, no any monk use train or bus or car, only luggage in the truck. 3:30 awaking every monk, 3:30 a.m. awaking every monk, and 4 o'clock take a coffee and going paidal to the running ahead place.
To the next
Ah,
stop.
ah. 8 8 o'clock a.m. breakfast. Simple breakfast, lai chana or anything, and again visit, and 11 o'clock lunch prepared, and all the monks taking lunch. After that, again you start journey, and 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock stop. So paramath, that is some items as like sweet aloo, potato, potato boiled, and liquid of that given to all monks. It was the daily routine. So one time I asked the Dulumphaji, Buddha is God. So Lumpha, most venerable Lumpha Sanakatpuyo told, I cannot discuss on God, but Buddha is nature, Dhamma is nature, Sangha is the nature, Sangha is the follower of nature. I asked how to say Lumpho, Buddha is nature. Then he told, oh, in the forest of Lumbini, Tatha Siddhartha Gautam was born. That was a open sky. Oh, that was a open sky. After that, he Tathagat Siddhartha Gautam embraced oh, and taken cut the hair. That was forest in Rampur in Bihar. And after that, uh, Dhongeswari Parvat with 5 Brahmans, Parivarajak, that was the open sky nature. And after that, uh, in Bodh Gaya, search the Dhamma, that was the nature, open sky, and uh, declare that I will live my uh, life in the yeah, where in the when he declared the Ayu Visarjan, Vaishali, Chaipal Chaitya,
Vaishali.
that was the open sky. Yeah, there he decided that I will leave the body In Kushinagar, that was the open sky, that is the nature. And after that, such the Dhamma, तो घोषणा declare the given the Dhamma for 5 monks, Brahmin monks. That was the open sky. So nature is Dhamma, Buddha is nature. After that, in Kushinagar, finish the Ayu. That was the open sky. That was the Dhamma. So everything in the open sky. So Buddha is nature and Dhamma is nature. Sangha is the follower of nature. Dhamma is nature. How? So told that sun gives heat to all the plants and all the human beings and all the creature. That is the nature of sun, giving tapadhatu and giving uh, uh, oxygen, air. That is the part of nature. And Pathavi dhatu, that is the nature. Everything is nature. Water is water is nature. So all the activities under nature, Tathagat Buddha have done. So Buddha is nature, Dhamma is nature, Sangha is the follower of nature. Oh, itna Lumpa Sanankat Puyo told the teachers, साधु साधु. अच्छा, तो ये है तथागत बुद्धा टोल्ड. एंड तथागत बुद्धा टोल्ड, Bhante ji, Lumpa Sanankat Puyo told, if you abuse anybody and you create angerness, then the RBC and WBC are breaking and you are receiving many diseases. So you hatred is not appeased by hatred, hatred is always appeased by non-hatred. इसको पाली में उन्होंने गाथा को समझाया, नहीं बैरेण बैराणी समन्तीत कुदाचन अवैरेन बैरेन सामंतो ये धम्मो सनातन. फिर एक गाथा समझाई, न परेशं विलोमान न परेशं कथा कथं अतनो वेखे कथान अकतांचा. No criticize to anybody, only see the body, your mind. So first gatha, mind proceeds unwholesome state and their chief, it is the law of nature. And finish. Now finish. साधु साधु. अब आशीर्वाद देते हैं. दुख पत्ता चन्नी दुखा भय पत्ता चन्नी भया शोक पत्ता चन्नी शोका हुन सभे पिपाणिनो यत्तावता चामे संपतं पुण्य संपदं सभे देवा अनुमोदन्तु सब संपत्ति सिद्धिया. Tomorrow I will try in Hindi version. साधु साधु साधु. Finish.
ขอจบลงวันนี้ก็เพียงเท่านี้ก่อน ถ้าหากว่าสนใจที่จะอยากรู้ อยากศึกษาเพิ่มเติมในสิ่งที่ยังสงสัย ถ้าอาจารย์ทั้งสองเนี่ยสามารถที่จะตอบคำถามได้ตามประสบการณ์การได้รับการปฏิบัติฝึกฝนมาก็จะมาแชร์ประสบการณ์ให้ฟัง แต่ถ้าไม่สามารถที่จะตอบได้นี่ก็นะผู้ฟังก็ต้องไป ฝึกปฏิบัติเอานะเพื่อให้ได้รู้ธรรมะของจริงคือความรู้จักธรรมชาติ so all the questions that you may ask the next time you can write on the comments, and then when we have time, we will come back and talk to you
Sadhu.
to answer every questions you may
Sadhu.
have. If we can, we will share our experiences about the practicing. Thank you. Bye.
Sadhu, sadhu. Tomorrow, Prati Samutpada and Dhammachakra Pavattan Sutta. Sadhu, sadhu. Leo. कैसे फिनिश होगा?
Yeah, finish na.